We're all connected all the time, but I think people perhaps don't realise how much of that is encroaching on us.
I feel like I'm always very much on the go. I'm either at uni, I'm either at work, or running workshops, doing the podcast. Like I'm very busy, go, go, go.
I'm playing all these roles. I'm a daughter to my father, I'm a wife to my husband, and I'm a mother to my child. You just don't have the time sometimes.
If you're absolutely knackered, you can't be as authentic. You're just kind of running on empty or just go through the motions, really.
If you don't have some private time, even if it's a few seconds, you're in trouble.
प्राइवेसी मेरे लिए फ्रीडम जैसी है। जब अकेला होता हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा फ्री महसूस करता हूँ।
When I'm working on glass, basically it's my private haven, and I am recharged by that alone time, by that separateness.
That private moment is the moment where I'm not interacting with the world. It's just me, myself, and I. You're in that bubble.
It's decompression. It allows you to reset. I come out and I'm fresh with new ideas, new feelings, new emotions, new concepts, whatever.
The most private time is when it's just me and my wife. That private time, just having a laugh and just having fun. We both appreciate it. I think everyone kind of deserves that chance to say, no, I'm just going to take 20 minutes to do nothing. I think it's really important.
Don't allow anyone to tell you what that should look like for you, because it's unique to you. Just like your spirit is unique, your body is unique, your experiences are unique, your privacy and what you view that as is just as unique.